This is the UMIDIGI Beyond Dreams new phone. It comes in this case, and this is how it comes. Once you take it out of the case, it comes with this. You take that in. It comes with the instructions, the charger, and the cable for it. But one of the best things about this is, look, it's rugged. It has, it's like a case already with the phone. It's a rugged phone, so you don't even have to get a case for it. This is really nice. As you can see, it's drop proof, dust proof, and waterproof. All the specifications are right here in the box. All I can say, I'm not very familiar with a lot of these numbers other than the memory is 6 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes of RAM, and that seems like it's a lot. Some of you that know they're more techy would appreciate more all of this, but all I can tell you is that it's really fast, it's really clear, really clean, and it has right here, you can see it has the cameras, it has pressure relief hole. I'm assuming, I don't really know, maybe if water gets in, or again, traveling or something. Now the barometer is pretty cool because it can tell you about the temperature. You don't have to actually have an app or anything like that to tell you the temperature it is, but also you can take someone else's temperature by just placing it, like 2 to 3 inches away from him, pressing the button, and it will give you the temperature of that person. Now you can see the screen is really nice. It's really big. Now you can see right here, I have an iPhone 11 Pro, and you can see the difference in size, and also how clear the image is. It has 2 different buttons right here that you can customize. So aside from your regular volume and power on button, it has 2 extra buttons that you can customize to whatever it is that you want, whether it's gaming or whatever. Now it's really nice. It has the internet, and again, you can see that it moves very quickly. And right here, and it comes with all the usual apps from Samsung, and again, I have the 2 games that I'm showing how it moves around. But it's very good. It has a microphone in the back and a microphone in the front. And again, it has for the SIM card right here. So if you want to add a SIM card, you will place it here, but again, this one has 6 gigs of this has as stated here in the instructions, 6 gigs of memory plus the 128 from RAM. All in all, I find it really nice. Again, the screens, I took some pictures. Let me just open it up, and so I took some pictures, and you can tell right here, these are some of the pictures that I took. Still not very familiar. And like this is a normal distance, and then that's a close-up, so you can see how clear it is regardless of how far. There's a video. So very good sound, very good quality. And again, the pictures, very good quality. So again, I like the fact that you don't have to buy a case. It already is a rugged phone. It comes with a very heavy duty protecting shell, and so I like that a lot. And again, a lot of extra features that most phones don't have at this time. You see, this is one of the games, and I'm not very good at these games, but as you can see, there's not a lot of glitching, any glitching at all. And here's the phone again. That's very good quality. I highly recommend it. I enjoyed it very much.